By custom, we would be sending out invitations to the world to join us in Jamaica for Reggae Month in February. However, amid the throes of a global pandemic, we ask you to join our virtual celebration of Reggae Month this year.
Everything what we are do, what we, I'm bravo. What you know now, see it now. Come here now, Ketch, I want you. Make your shoulder move like a jacker man. Boy. Reggae month, 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 Christoph, reggae month, Disha, reggae month, bravo, reggae month.
As we build the Reggae Month brand, we are working to realize an even stronger collaboration as we strive to make good on the opportunities afforded us by the virtual platforms to expand partnerships for mutual benefits. Together, we can better position reggae music, Jamaica's most penetrating global export, for enhanced contribution to the national economy.
Each other, what we need, solidarity, 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 solidarity. Hey, yeah. Wonderful world, beautiful people, you and your girl, things could be pretty, but underneath this, there is a secret that nobody can reveal.
We want Reggae Month 2021 to signal the start of a process of building back stronger towards an even brighter and more dynamic future.
I've got to move. I'm going on a party ride. I've got to groove. And from this music I just can't hide. Are you coming with me? Come, let me take you on a party ride. And I'll teach you. I'll teach you the electric slide. Some say it's mistake, it's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. And you can't resist it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. You can't do without it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Take a miss a more, she's a chicken feeling jar, she's a moving along like she's so good. You don't want to lose.
Reggae music means everything to me. It means the world to me.
Reggae is the heartbeat of a people.
Reggae help people to know more about themselves.
Reggae is global. Reggae is everywhere.
Yeah, reggae is my life, you know, because I put into reggae ministry, I'm not walk out saying that or something.
We have something which the world crave even right now.
It is now my pleasure to declare Reggae Month 2021 officially launched. One love.
Come catch the rhythm like no place else on earth, only in Jamaica.
And that's how I made to give him the glory. I'm delighted. Jah knows my passion ignited. For the music get me excited.